Hi friends, it's a beautiful moment. In Yucatan we have so much rain. But in this time we're going to share our Mayan updates from the 11th to the 17th of August 2019. In our prior Mayan update, I just talked a little bit that we are now in the energy of the mother Wo, the mother Ix'Cheel, the mother Ix'Mukane, the grandmother who is in the center of the planet helping us to transmute, to transform our energy. But in these Mayan updates, we're going to focus more in the idea what is the symbol of the mother as a symbol of Mother Nature. You know that the ancient ones watch very careful what is the behavior of the animals, how is the behavior of the plants, the way that they grow, the way that they give the fruits, etc. That was very important to understand that the mother, of course, is the body of the abundance, is the body of the life. If you consider that idea as the Mayans did, the Mayans call our planet with the name of Sac Uleo, means pure, beautiful, clear planet or Earth, as you want to call it. So the idea of these Mayan updates is to remind us that we are living inside of this living precious being who is the mother. And one of his references is this little animal that we know with the name of the frog. But the name of the frog is connected with the idea that the Mayans call the rain. So the mantra to call the rain, to call in some way the abundance to your own life will be the mantra Wo. The mantra Wo is connected with the mother who is abundant, who is life, who is all the riches that we have. So in this time, in the process of meditation, we're going to connect with the mother through the mantras and to ask forgiveness to Mother Nature for all the mistakes we have done, for all the damage we have done to spoil precisely the precious body of the mother. I think one of the main messages received in the last times is we have a hope as a humanity if we come back to the ancient way to love, to respect, and to honor the mother. So this is going to be about the meditation today. Let's do it. I invite you to close your eyes, to breathe in, to breathe out, 3 times, to breathe in, to breathe out, to breathe in, and to breathe out. We can see our beautiful planet in the space, floating in the space. They call the blue planet because 3 quarters are water. And the water is the element of life, is the element of the little elemental of the frog, who correspond to the energy of the moon, to the energy of the abundance, material and spiritual. We're going to call with the mantra Wo, the energy of our mother to our lives, to become wealthy, to become people with life, with abundance, with good luck, connecting with the abundance of the planet, connecting with the life, the fertility, in all the levels, physically and spiritually. Then we do the mantra Wo. 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 beautiful rain descending over you. And this rain is abundant, it's love, it's fertility, it's forgiveness. It's to say to our mother, Mother, forgive me for all that we have done to you in a negative way. For my mistakes, Mother. Forgive me, Mother. Forgive us as a humanity to spoil your beautiful, precious body. In Mayan language, Mother sounds like Na. Mother, house, is the same for the Mayas. And I want you to have in this moment in your mind our planet floating in the space as a beautiful being, and to send so much love to our planet, who is spinning now to the fall equinox. With the mantra Na, we can express our gratitude to our planet, to our mother, for all the love, abundance, and life that we every day receive. To say, Mother, forgive me for my mistakes. Forgive us as a humankind to make the things we have made, and to correct now with another level of consciousness and awareness. Can do now the mantra Na. Na. This planet is like our mother, who is giving us all that we need to live physically, all the meals we receive every day, the water, the sun, all the green, all the rivers, mountains, animals. We are sharing with all this life because there is an order, there is a balance, there is a harmony that is needed, that we keep in the same way. Thinking yourself, how you feel connecting with the mother, how much love and honor and respect you are giving to her every day. Think in a moment how much grateful you are with the rain, with the moon, with the stars, with the trees, with the rivers, with all the herbs and medicine, with all the animals who made possible the life in this planet and the area you live. Heat, tropical, cold, freezing. We say thank you, Mother. We love you, Mother. Receive our love. Do a mantra who means I am grateful with you, Mother. I love you, Mother. I love you, Mother. And sounds this way. Na, tu, thank you for all. I love you, I respect you, I honor you, Mother. Forgive me, forgive us for all damage we have done. Promise to you to be better children from now on. Improve better in our behavior to you. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Expand the light, expand the love. Expand the consciousness, expand the abundance and light and love. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In Ix'Cheel, Alaken. Take a breath. A second breath, a third breath. Slowly you can return to your place and say, thank you, Mother. Always there are legends who said that even though you have been in situations because unconsciousness made us to make mistakes, the Mother is always opening to you. We must remember that. The Mother is an unconditional being that loves you unconditionally. In Ix'Cheel.